How to add a multiple routines widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, we go down and select widgets at the bottom here. Then go down and in here, tap on mods and routines. After that, drag on a routine size that you would like to use. So we got a small one and a large one. So let's select a small one here, 2x1, and drop it on your home screen. After that, you can tap on the widget to select a routine. Now at the moment, I only have one added. If you have more routines added to your routines list, then you can select it from here. Otherwise, you can create a new routine. So here we can go down to then. So if started manually, then say I can select a connections. We can turn on Bluetooth or switch off. So turn on, and then tap on saved, and then tap on done. So here we've got Bluetooth. I can tap on that to quickly turn on or switch off Bluetooth. And that's it. That is how you can add in the routine widget, multiple routines widget to the home screen. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.